So for now, firstly, I would like to discuss some interesting global variable cases. So in the first thing we need to notice that global variable is stored during the compile time only in the static memory. So we will not face any runtime errors, but we are definitely going to face a compile time and a error can be there while there is a linkage. So linker error can be possible also. In the first case, as we can see over here, the x variable, here x is trying to print the variable 5. Here we have no declaration of the extern itself, and before the variable is allocated, we are trying to store the variable. Before the x has been declared, we are trying to store the value of the x, so we will face a compile time error. In the second phase, as you can see, although this extern int is defined, but this is just a declaration or a prototype, and there is no memory allocation over here. So here in this x is now trying to store a value 5, but there is no mm, x variable till now declared anywhere globally also. So first it will pass the compile time, there will be no error in the compile time, but when it will try to link this x to the variable, to the actual variable, since there is no allocation, it will face a linker error. Now we will be discussing about three other cases that are actually running successfully. So here, like it is here we are declaring extern int x, and then we are allocating x equal to 5. And now we can see towards the end of the program, here the extern says somewhere in the program there is a variable x, and we have done this memory allocation over there. So here this was just a declaration prototype. By declaration prototype I meant this. And now during the link time, so during the compile time, x will store the value 4, and now during the link time, this value 4 will be changed by this local value of x 5, and it will print the value 5. One more case beside that is here extern variable, if we are declaring extern int x equal to 2, in this x equal to 2 will be first like stored in this. It will allocate the memory here itself only, since we have defined the value over here. The x equal to 5 will then change this 2 value to 5, and it will print the value. And lastly, in this is one interesting, I won't say error, but we are just bypassing the errors, because here even if we are defining the extern int x and there is no memory allocation over here, but since x is not used, we are just bypassing the error. So this is just a we can just say a corollary function of it.